Hey everyone, it's Robin, Artist Island Crafts, and welcome to my studio. Advent Day 22. You know what that means, right? 22, 23, 24, ho ho ho, 3 days away. First, before we get going, I have to say, I'm sorry, my friend, if I made it sound like the dots were crazy. These are fresh dots. They're actually soft. They're not rock hard, like really chewing on something that's been sitting in the freezer all day and out getting air dried or whatever, because sometimes dots can be hit and miss. But you did an amazing job. Of course you did. You've done so great all the way through. These are delicious. Thank you so much. I have been testing the candy each time. I haven't opened these up yet, but I have been taste testing the candy each time it comes out, and I've been having Robbie George help me out too. But day number 22 is not something to eat, because if it is, it's a piece of bread and I just smushed it. It is fabric. Oh, maybe two fabrics. Maybe I tore. Okay. This is one of my favorite red and white stripes. I love this one on the binding of mug rugs. I've used it many times. I did not bring my striped fabric with me. It's sitting in storage still. It's not behind me. It's not in the boxes that I'm storing in the kitchen still. I go out there and pick through the fabric. Some of the boxes empty. I put some more in from here, whatever. But this, I know, show us, Robin. Show us, Robin. I love this. I love that it has the wider stripe and then it has three narrow ones. There are a lot of candy cane products out there. This reminds me of the packages where you just get the chunky sticks and they come in like a bag, or you get them in a box or something. All the ones that I can remember, I'm probably remembering it wrong, but they had the thick stripe and the thin stripes. This works out really well. I like this. I told my friend that I use it, but I'm not a huge fan of the ones that have all of the thin red stripes with like one green one thrown in every 3 or 5 stripes. It's okay. But when I'm looking for a red and white stripe, I find it hard to match that one to something. So will I use that? If it shows up in the rest of these packages, I will 100% use it. I have some of that. I just always find myself skipping it because that one green stripe just doesn't always work with that sharp red and white contrast that I'm looking for. So fabric designers who never watch my videos, please keep your stripes, your candy cane stripes, your red and white stripes, keep them real, keep them true. No green, no pink, no purple. But now if you want to make stripes with those colors, that's great. Just don't mess with our red and whites. So thank you so much, my friend. Let's open up your package. Happy double digits 22 Advent Day, my friend. Yes, one more vacuum sealed bag, because again, you can never have too many. I hope you find a use for all of these and go ahead and get a lot of things organized out of your closet, out from underneath the bed, in the garage, in the basement, in your craft room. I found that this doesn't do the greatest with maybe a full skein of like the Red Heart yarn, but it does work really well like on the hand dyed or the yarn that's really soft and is not tight like you would get when you have the skeins of Red Heart yarn. It does work great for pillows and blankets and fabric though. Speaking of fabric, I have 2 more for you. I may be the cat person, but I think this would be fun in a child's project. Otherwise, you can either fussy cut to get the green or just cut it up nice and small and nobody will know that it's a kitty cat. I have noticed I've included a lot of flower fabric for you, so I hope you enjoy it. My friend and I have been swapping fabric back and forth for a few years now, and even during the year outside of Advent, we send fabric back and forth. So I'm really hoping that something she sent to me isn't being sent back to her. That would be hilarious. I wouldn't feel bad, she wouldn't feel bad, but we would really have a good laugh at it. By now, I'm sure you've seen both of my wrapping papers. I thought it was really fun to add some summertime stuff into the dead of winter because my friend lives where it snows and I can look out the window right here into the kitchen and I see the sun shining and the blue sky, and please don't be mad at me. It's Florida. It is what it is and it's nice. Now, I would love to have some cooler weather, though a little bit of snow would be good because in Florida it would just melt right away, so we know we wouldn't be in snow for 6 months. I do enjoy watching videos of other people in the snow because I don't have to shovel that snow or worry about my car or anything. So thank you so much, my friend. I'll see you guys tomorrow.